Hello everybody and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and today we're going to review another course. This time the course is called Learn Basics of AngularJS in 59 minutes by building a game, and it's from Udemy, but this time it's paid, it's not free, and it cost me around 11 euros. Sometimes Udemy has some offers, so you may even get it for less. Let's start from the overview, and I'm going to the About This Course section. So the first thing that says is learn basics of AngularJS in most fun and engaging way by creating your own hangman game, which is great. It has 10 lectures, 1 hour of video, and the skill level is beginner level. It has a lot of students and the language is English. The instructor speaks pretty good English, you can totally understand him. I don't think he's a native speaker, but he's great. In the description you can read a lot of information, and as I've said in a couple of previous videos, for me this is always an advantage because you can understand from the beginning if it's something useful, if it's something informative, if it's something that you really need or not, because I mean you're going to pay some money, you have to know if it's good or not. The instructor is actually this kind of company like UI5, community network, experts in services, consulting and education, but you are only going to have one instructor. Let's continue with the course content, and here you will see that you have one section with 10 videos, and actually one of it is the code. Now in the code you have to go to this Hangman game app, and then you have to give a username and a password. Here is where you place the username and the password that are provided here. And if you continue with the Q&A, you'll see that actually there are some questions and there are some responses, but that's not always the case. Another thing that I would like to mention is the announcements, and I really like that there are announcements, and it's not like something very old, like 2 or 3 years ago, and this for me means that you can find the instructor, and if you have any question you can ask him and he may even answer you, whereas in other courses that's so updated, not updated, you can never find an answer to your question. So here I've pulled through the same course, Learn Basics of Angular in 59 minutes, but here you can see that right now it costs 10.99 euros, and it says that it's only for 5 hours, but I think that sometimes, as I've mentioned, Udemy do this kind of things, but you will find this offer soon again. And I wanted to mention that a lot of people in the comments, although they are very happy, and as you can see it has a 4.8 stars, which is a great rating, but some of these people cannot find the code, so the username and the passwords are not correct or they are not updated. So yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. When I did this course I didn't have any problem with the code, but now a lot of people, although they give a big rating, they have the same problem and they can't get the code, which is kind of bad. Anyway, as final thoughts, I liked this course. I think that the instructor was very good. I don't have any problem with him. The code was clear and I could understand it. It was very informative, and yeah, if you would like to learn something in 59 minutes, I would advise you to take this course. Thank you very much, have a lovely day, and as always the link for this course will be in the description. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.